Hello and welcome to this brand new video. So this video is about how I sucked at building a personal brand, so I built a system instead. And that's what's ultimately transformed my brand from barely getting followers, barely getting any clients, barely getting any really reach or impact to getting just under 17,000 followers, building a program and making money through my audience. So without further ado, let's just get right into it. So who this is not for complete beginners. Ultimately, this is for people that have already tried, maybe invested in some courses here and there, but really want to learn, okay, how do the biggest creators build their businesses? How do people, attract the highest quality people to work with? This is not for people who want quick results, want to have shortcuts. This is not for ambitious, lazy people and not for people that value money over impact. Who this is for people that value peace, profit, passion, and purpose, who love helping people and making an impact, that is an ambitious coach or consultant that's ready to scale, or that's an agency owner, freelancer who wants to make more impact by having a better use of their time. Okay? So what are you looking for? You're looking for a simple and effective framework to grow your high-ticket business, a consistent flow of perfect fit leads 24/7, and you're fed up with people wasting your time on sales calls, or that, you have to struggle to hard sell people on calls and they're just not serious, and you want to work with dream clients, okay? So for those that are new here, my name is Hiette, and I am a college dropout. I dropped out of college at the beginning of 2023. It was Fashion University. This was me working at a COVID center, me doing some graphic design and building up my clothing brand. This is me getting in top shape and getting into self-improvement here in 2023. But basically, I was trying to build this clothing brand because that was my dream. And I went to university because I thought I was going to get the skills from it, and realized I was only building the skills of being an employee and not actually building the skills of building a proper business. And after I went in this whole rabbit hole starting in 2023, I realized that if I built a personal brand first and built up my name and built trust around my name, I could build any business I wanted. I could build a clothing brand, a consulting business, whatever I wanted to build. So that led me out this rabbit hole to drop out of college in 2023. And around that same time, I realized that, as you can tell here, April 19th, 2023, the creator economy could approach half $1 trillion by 2027. So it's obviously a growing market. And I looked up to people like Dan Koh, Tom Nosky, Ali Abdaal, Iman Gaji, Hamza, and realized they were kind of the market leaders. And asked myself, what are these people doing differently? Everyone's trying to build a personal brand. Everyone's trying to do this thing. But there's only a few that really stand out and really can take a lot of the attention. So yeah, I was like, what the hell are these people doing differently? I want to slice of the pie as well, and maybe you too. So this led me to ultimately create an identity for myself. I created the identity and also the program and the brand of Creator One, but I created the identity of being an autonomy creator. And this is now what I'm helping all my clients achieve, but it's having purpose, having peace, having passion, having profit in their life, and building a coaching business that makes 20K or more a month profit. And this is what really helped me, because all of these people that I noticed, they had a unique identity. They had a unique way of standing out in the marketplace. And I needed to do the same. And this video is going to be about how the systems and how you can create this unique identity for yourself. Okay. So let's get into the 3 pillars. So the first pillar is values. Each one of these people, they've got unique values. They value unique things. Dan Koh values autonomy. Tom Nosky values, making really great cinematic content. Ali Abdaal is all about valuing productivity. Iman Gaji is all about valuing, integrity, your agency, building up a service-based business. Hamza is all about valuing your masculinity. So each one has certain values, and these are the values that I have for my clients and for myself. And this is the values that is for being an autonomy creator. And you can kind of think about the values that you can have for your own business. If you're helping someone achieve a certain outcome, what unique values does your brand have? Because when you communicate that in your content, in your branding, in your message, people that also attract to those values also flock to you. So, for example, when it comes to the offer, coaches or just regular coaches, they price the clients, they have multiple offers, they get burned out from one-on-one clients, they sell their time, they follow a specific niche, and they use sales-based conversion. Autonomy creators, however, they price the problem. They sell one offer with multiple levels of access. They have clients that uplift them. They sell access. They create a niche of one, and they use marketing-based conversion. So what does this do? This ultimately creates a unique, stance for being an autonomy creator, and it separates myself from the market. And you can think of the same when it comes to certain elements of your product. Content, coaches create to gain followers, create to get reach. They blame the algorithm. They create to sell. They attract freebie seekers, and they create like a robot, like copy paste type stuff. Autonomy creators, however, they create to attract leads. They create to shift beliefs. They blame the messaging. They create to serve. They attract buyers, right, through creating unique value, and they create based off passion. I'll just kind of speed through the next few ones just to get an idea of how you can separate yourself with your unique values. So coaches work with people who pay. They push people that are over the edge. They're always looking for the next client. They get ghosted in the DMs. They handle objections, and they hard sell on sales calls. Autonomy creators work with those who align, only accept a fuck yes, always focus on serving current clients. The DMs reply with interest, and leads ask them how can they start working with them, and they're already pre-sold in the DMs, so it's easy to sell on sales calls. Scale, coaches, they have a big team and have a big headache. They're revenue focused. They fill calendar with to-dos. They build their life around their business. They work 8 hours a day or more, like 12, 16 hours a day. Their clients join and leave constantly. Autonomy creators have a lean team of 1 to 3 contractors max. They're profit focused. They have an empty calendar built for autonomy. They have a business that surrounds their life. So they're very life focused. They work 4 hours a day, and their clients join and stay for a long time. Soul. So coaches, they have a business that supports the bank. They have a lot of complexity. They're desperate. They chase clients. They want to always create results, and they care about outcomes. Autonomy creators, their business supports their goals. They have simplicity. They're abundant. They have a wait list of clients. They transform lives and not just create results, and they care about the journey. So all of these are unique things about being an autonomy creator, which is my unique goal that I want people to get towards. So with you might have a product. Let's say you're a fitness coach, and you want to help people be holistic entrepreneurs. Let's say that's your unique thing that you want to help people achieve. You can have a bunch of unique values underneath that, and also portrayed in a visual way, like I do here. So all of these people, they've got unique systems, unique ways of explaining things that makes them stand out. And that's what is missing in a lot of coaching business nowadays, or just high ticket creator businesses, is they don't have their unique systems built. So let's get on to systems, right? The second part. I've got a bunch of unique systems, right? One of them is my one niche, what stands for you, your mechanism, and your outcome. I've got other videos on my YouTube. I think it's like, don't build a personal brand, or don't build a business, I created a personal brand without a business. No, I created a personal brand without a niche. That's what it is. If you go on that video, this explains this system, but yeah, it's a unique system, right? I've got my Creator 4 system of how I build my business, right? Creating simple ads on Instagram and organic content to build your following, create content on YouTube and Instagram to nurture, build your leads to build your email list or community, have low ticket products to build your customer list, and have conversations to have high ticket clients. That's my unique system. One offer, right? How you can create an access stack that is one offer with multiple levels of access. Or how I've got my YouTube funnel, right? A bunch of YouTube videos leading to my one VSL that I can then have a conversation on Instagram or directly have a book call to sell what I have to offer. My one chat system, right? Which is based off Alex Hormozi's acknowledge, compliment, ask system, just to have simple, effective conversations. And then finally, my one system, where you use a simple Instagram ad, ManyChat, ConvertKit, or just Kit nowadays, to a 1VSL YouTube video to nurture that audience really fast. Now, all of this is unique to me. And a lot of people, whether you're in fitness, health, wealth, relationships, whatever niche you're in, you don't have unique systems. You don't have unique frameworks of how you do things, which doesn't make you stand out in any way, shape, or form, making these lead the way. And then finally, you've got your beliefs. Now, this is a bit more open, but if you don't share your unique self and what you stand for, whether that's your story, whether that's your values, whether that's what your passions and vices are, right? Some of my vices is I play video games every once in a while. I love the gym. I love reading. If you don't explain those unique things about yourself, you're not a human. You're just like a glorified search engine. What is your personality, right? For me, I'm creative. I value speed. I'm ambitious. I love content creation and a bunch of other things. I love fashion as well and music. So all of these things combined create your unique way to stand out in the market. Okay. And this is what's going to help you so much when it comes to building your brand in 2025. Because if you want to get a piece of this $1 trillion industry, you need to stand out. There's so many people doing the same thing. And the only way you're going to stand out is by doing things in your unique way, sharing your story, sharing your journey, and showing your values and your beliefs, because that is what makes a brand unique. That's what makes a brand relatable. Okay. I'm going to keep this video fairly short, but thanks so much for tuning in. The first video in the description will be a little bit more about this system, Creator 4 system to build your brand. If you want to work with me, or if you have any questions about joining Creator 1, which is my coaching program, book a call in the description or send me a DM on Instagram. Okay. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.